Have you ever thought, I'm studying English, but I'm not getting better? You learn words, you watch videos, you take notes. But when you try to speak, your mind goes blank. If that's you, I get it. The good news is this: you don't need to be smart. You need the right methods and a simple routine. In this video, I'll show you 10 easy ways to get better at English. They are simple, practical, and perfect for beginner to intermediate learners. Let's start. Hey, welcome back to English Uplift. My name is Daniel. Before we begin, I prepared a free PDF worksheet for this lesson. Inside the PDF, you'll get key vocabulary and useful phrases, sample sentences for listen and repeat practice, and a full audio file of this lesson. The link is in the description. Download it and you can study while walking, driving, cooking, or doing chores. Just listen and repeat with me. All right, let's jump into the 10 ways. First, speak every day. You don't need 30 minutes. Start with 2 minutes. Talk to yourself in English while you do something simple: making coffee, taking a shower, walking outside. Why is this important? Because speaking is a skill. Skills need daily practice. Even 2 minutes a day builds confidence. Next, don't learn only words. Learn phrases. For example, don't just learn busy. Learn, I'm busy right now. I've been busy lately. Sorry, I'm a little busy. Why? Because phrases are ready to use in real life. This helps you speak faster and more naturally. Third, do listen and repeat. Choose a short audio clip, 10 to 20 seconds. Listen once. Then repeat out loud. Do it again and again. Why is this powerful? Because you learn pronunciation, rhythm, and real sentences. And you don't need to guess how English should sound. You copy it. Number 4 is shadowing. Shadowing means you speak at the same time as the audio. It's like singing along to a song, but with English. Start slow. Use short sentences. This improves your speed and natural flow. Number 5. Record your voice. Say one short paragraph. Record it. Then listen. At first, you may think, my voice sounds strange. That's normal. But recording helps you notice your pronunciation and mistakes. Then you can improve faster. Number 6 is micro-listening. Instead of watching a long video once, listen to a short part many times. 1 to 3 minutes is perfect. Why? Repetition builds understanding. Your brain starts to catch words, patterns, and linking sounds. Number 7. Read out loud. Pick an easy text. Read it slowly and clearly. This helps you practice pronunciation, build confidence, improve speaking muscles, And you don't feel pressure like real conversation. Number 8. Use English in real life. Small actions are best. Change your phone language to English. Write one English sentence daily. Comment one simple sentence on YouTube. Speak one sentence at a cafe. Why is this important? Because English becomes real when it becomes part of your life. Number 9. Review smart. Many people study, but they forget quickly. A simple rule: review after 1 day, 3 days, 7 days. This is called spaced repetition. Even just reviewing your notes or phrases helps memory. Finally, use a simple routine. Here is a 10-minute plan. 2 minutes, speak to yourself. 2 minutes, learn 2 phrases. 2 minutes, listen and repeat. 2 minutes, micro-listening. 2 minutes, write 1 sentence. That's it. Consistency is more important than perfection.